welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to transfer USDT from Bitget to Binance. All right. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, go ahead and go to your Bitget account. Down here, go to your wallet. Now click on withdraw. Okay. Wait for it to load. Now go ahead and select the coin from here. Click on the drop down and make sure that it is set to USDT. Okay. Once that's done, go ahead over to on-chain and go ahead and select the network, for example, TRC20. Right here, Tron. Just click on it and as you can see here, it will need a wallet address or a withdrawal address. So just go ahead over to Binance and click on deposit right here at the top right. Click on it. Now go ahead and click on deposit crypto. Just click on it. Now go ahead and look for the coin or just click on USDT right here at the options. Okay, click on it, select the network. Of course, we have selected Tron under Bitget, so we're going to go ahead and select Tron here as well. Just click on it. As you can see here, we have the wallet address and the QR code. Just click on copy. Now go back to Bitget right here. Click on the withdrawal address bar, right click and hit on paste. All right, once that's done, just hit on next. And here, as you can see, it will need us to enter the withdrawal amount and the minimum would be 10 USDT. All right. So for example, just type in 10 USDT right here. And once done, just click on withdraw. And after that, just go ahead and follow the simple prompts. And in no time, you'll receive your balance right here into your wallet in Binance. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.